Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore my entire kitchen, item by item. While I don't suggest you replicate it exactly, I believe this will be helpful if you're on the journey to understanding and adopting a minimalist lifestyle. When I first started my minimalist journey, I was overwhelmed with questions like, do I really need to keep this? Or what if I need it later? To give you a clearer perspective, I'll share the details of what I have, why I keep these items, and what I've decided to let go of. Let's begin this journey together. We'll go through each category, from plates, cups, and mugs, to cooking utensils and food storage. My goal is to show you how I manage my kitchen space in a minimalist and efficient way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you find this topic interesting. Now let's dive into each kitchen item and see how they play a role in my life. Before we get into the details, let's briefly talk about my family members. Considering their needs helps me design a kitchen space that suits everyone. When choosing kitchen items, I always consider the quantity and function of each item to ensure they serve everyone well without causing clutter. This is how I keep my kitchen space as tidy and efficient as possible. Let's take a look at each item I own and why I chose to keep them. Pans. A diverse collection of pans is essential in any kitchen. The type of pan you choose depends on what you'll be using it for, but I'll cover a few of the most common types. It's a good idea to have at least 1 or 2 non-stick pans for frying without sticking, and a cast iron or stainless steel pan for dishes that require higher heat or specific cooking techniques. Cast iron pans are particularly great for roasting or frying because they retain heat well and create a crispy, delicious crust. Pots. To ensure you're always prepared for any dish, have 3 different sizes of pots. A small pot for quick meals, a medium pot for family dinners, and a large pot for parties or cooking in bulk. These pots will help you cook more efficiently, from making soups to simmering meat. Turners. Don't forget to invest in wooden or plastic spatulas. These are perfect for non-stick pans, as they won't scratch or damage the non-stick coating. The softness of wood or plastic also makes it easier to flip food without worrying about ruining your cookware. Strainer. A versatile strainer is an indispensable tool in the kitchen. Use it to rinse foods like rice or flour, or to drain food after washing. Strainers not only help separate unwanted ingredients, but also ensure your ingredients are clean and ready for the next steps in your cooking process. Wooden spoons and ladles. Wooden spoons and ladles are essential for stirring and serving dishes. Wooden spoons are particularly useful because they don't damage the non-stick coating of pots and pans. Ladles help you easily scoop food out of pots without scratching them. Whisk. A whisk is very useful for beating eggs, whipping cream, or mixing ingredients evenly. It's a small but necessary tool for food preparation. Kitchen shears. Kitchen shears can help you cut chicken, chop vegetables, or even open food packages easily. A sturdy, sharp pair of kitchen scissors is a great addition to your cooking tools. Peeler. A peeler helps you easily remove the outer skin of vegetables and fruits, keeping your ingredients clean and ready for the next steps in the cooking process. Baking molds. If you love baking, baking molds are an essential part of your kitchen. There are many types of molds, like cookie molds, cake molds, muffin molds, etc., that help you create delicious and appealing baked goods. A sous vide, precision cooker, is ideal if you're interested in precise cooking. This device allows you to cook food at a consistent temperature over a long period, ensuring that moisture and flavor are perfectly retained. It's especially useful for cooking meat or fish, as it helps achieve a tender and evenly cooked result every time. Bowls. We used to have a larger collection of bowls, but now we've found that 3 to 4 bowls are sufficient for our daily needs. This simplicity brings comfort and saves space without compromising the quality of our meals. Salad plates. Our salad plates have a few small scratches, but they are still perfectly functional. The wear and tear add character to them, making them even more special over time. Cups. The number of cups we have has decreased due to an unfortunate accident, but having fewer cups hasn't affected our convenience. In fact, the reduced quantity makes cleaning easier and the kitchen space more open. Glasses. We were gifted some new glasses, adding variety to our drinkware collection. These glasses not only have a beautiful design, but also bring a fresh touch to parties and gatherings with friends. Wine glasses. Our wine glasses have been passed down from the previous generation, holding a special sentimental value. Despite losing a few due to some unfortunate incidents, they remain precious and are still used for special occasions. Plates. Our collection of plates is just enough to serve the family at each meal. The number of plates ensures that everyone has their portion, and dishes can be neatly organized, even when adding new items to the table. Spoons. We have a diverse set of spoons that meets our daily needs. Although spoons tend to disappear now and then, we've learned to manage this and keep our kitchen organized. Butter knives. Each family member has their own butter knife. These knives are very useful for dishes that require precision and make meal preparation easier. Cutting knives. Our cutting knives are used for both vegetables and meat. They are essential tools in the kitchen, helping to prepare dishes quickly and efficiently. Chopsticks. The new chopsticks my husband recently purchased have added a fresh touch to our family's dining set. They are a fun tool for trying traditional dishes and have helped us learn to use chopsticks properly. Food containers. One of the essential elements in the kitchen is airtight food containers. These containers not only help keep food fresh for longer, but also maintain the flavor and quality of your dishes. Their sealed design protects food from dust and bacteria while saving storage space. Food wrap. For flexible food storage, food wrap is a useful tool. Whether it's aluminum foil or plastic wrap, it helps seal food tightly, preventing it from drying out or absorbing odors from other foods in the refrigerator. This is a simple yet effective option for preserving meals quickly and conveniently. Food storage bags. Food storage bags, especially Ziploc bags or reusable ones, are an excellent solution for storing food. They not only keep food safe, but are also very convenient for packing and transporting. These bags help keep food fresh and are an indispensable part of meal preparation and food preservation. Sponges. To keep dishes and utensils clean, sponges are a must-have tool. They can be made of foam or similar materials, making it easy to remove grease and grime. For dishwashing, sponges play a crucial role in maintaining kitchen hygiene. Dish towels. Dish towels make drying dishes quick and efficient. These towels are usually made of absorbent material, ensuring your dishes are clean and ready for the next meal. Recycling bins. To maintain cleanliness and organization in the kitchen, recycling bins are essential. They help separate food waste from other household trash, making disposal and recycling more efficient. Sorting waste not only protects the environment, but also makes cleaning up easier. Spice jars. Spice jars help you organize and store spices like salt, pepper, and sugar neatly and conveniently in the kitchen. Cutting boards. Cutting boards are essential tools for chopping food. You might need at least 2 types of cutting boards, one for meat and one for vegetables, to avoid cross-contamination of odors and bacteria. A vacuum sealer helps extend the shelf life of your food by removing air from the packaging, which prevents bacteria growth and oxidation. This is particularly useful when you want to store frozen foods or keep your food fresh for a longer period. Toaster. One of the essential kitchen appliances is the toaster. Designed to save space, the toaster is usually tucked away in the kitchen cabinet when not in use. It's especially convenient for toasting bread and preparing quick meals, making breakfast preparation quick and easy. Can opener. A can opener is a bulky but very necessary tool in the kitchen. It allows you to easily open food cans or household containers, saving time and effort during meal preparation. Though it may be larger compared to other tools, the convenience it provides is undeniable. Blender. The blender is a useful appliance for blending or mixing ingredients. From making smoothies to grinding spices and foods, the blender makes it easy to prepare a variety of dishes that are rich in nutrients. Microwave. The microwave is a versatile kitchen appliance, very handy for reheating, cooking quickly, and easily. With this feature, you can save a significant amount of time in meal preparation and handling leftovers. Electric stove or oven. An electric stove or oven is important for preparing a wide range of dishes. If you don't already have one of these appliances, getting an oven will expand your cooking possibilities, from roasting meat to baking and more. Bottle and wine opener. Finally, a multifunctional tool like a bottle and wine opener is very convenient in the kitchen. It helps you easily open bottles of water, wine, or other beverages, making meal prep and entertaining guests more convenient. These appliances and tools not only make cooking and food preparation easier, but also contribute to a more comfortable and efficient kitchen space. So there you have it. Everything in my kitchen. If you found this information helpful or have any questions about organizing your own kitchen, feel free to leave a heart emoji in the comments. Your feedback not only helps me understand what you love, but also motivates me to continue creating more interesting and practical content in the future. Remember, you don't have to copy my list exactly. Think of it as inspiration to refresh and optimize your own kitchen space. If there's anything I missed, I apologize. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss upcoming videos, where I'll be sharing more tips and ideas to help you live a simpler and more convenient life. See you in the next videos, and have a wonderful day.